Hello, my name is Akoji, as you always know. Thank you for joining my channel today again. Today I've decided to talk to you about how to overcome job rejection. Uh, I understand that rejection is not something anyone wants. A lot of us are going through a lot, churning out different application here and there, and then you kept getting rejected. I will tell you it's discouraging. I've been there. It's frustrating. Regardless of the job board you are using, nobody wants rejection, right? Nobody wants rejection. And being a young graduate, you keep applying and you hear people try to come back to you and say, unfortunately, of recent, what I target love later. So because once rejections becomes too much, you just joke about it. But to be honest, rejection can push people into different emotional states. It's not something that one could manage easily. And so on this video today, I've chosen to talk to you about how to overcome rejection. Let's talk about something nobody prepares you for after graduation or during a job hunt, and that is rejection. Emails that starts with "we regret to inform you," "unfortunately," silence that come after interviews, and the feelings that maybe you are just not good enough. Nobody wants that. When you read those things, they are really discouraging. If you've been rejected before, this video is for you. It's just to give you simple ways on how to manage rejection. Number one, first thing you should do is normalize rejection. First, understand that rejections are normal. Rejection is not a personal failure, it's part of the process. Every successful professional you see today, or the ones you admire, has faced one form of rejection or the other. Many times, countless times. Rejection does not mean you are unqualified. It often means the competition was tight, the timing wasn't right, or the company needs something different. That has nothing to do with you. That has nothing to do with you. So you don't need to start feeling frustrated. Number two, separate your identity from the outcome. What do I mean? One mistake many job seekers normally do is to attach their self-worth to a single application. When you apply to a job and you are rejected, does not mean you are the failure. You are more than your CV, more than an interview performance, more than a no. You are more than it. You don't need to start feeling frustrated. A rejection is just a feedback. It does not define your value. So don't feel frustrated. Number three, turn rejections into strategy. What do I mean? Instead of asking, why me, why me, why me? Ask, what can I do differently to improve my performance? After each rejection, I will encourage you to do the following. Review your CV and ask yourself this question: does it clearly shows impact? Reflect on the interview you had. Did you really answer the question in a structured way and in a confident way? Identify skills gap. Are there areas you feel within the interview shows that you are weak? What can you do to start improving them? Rejection becomes powerful when it teaches you something. When you don't feel victimized, when you learn from it, then you have succeeded in turning it into strategy. Number four, what do you do to overcome rejection? Build resilience, not bitterness. It's okay to feel disappointed. If that happens, just take a break and breathe. Then be ready to reset. But don't stay there stuck and feel like that is the end of the world. No. Successful job seekers don't stop. They adjust, they apply smarter, network intentionally, and keep showing up even when motivation is low. I will tell you the journey of looking for a job is crazy. In fact, I used to say looking for a job is a job on its own. The fifth thing you do to overcome rejection, keep momentum alive. What do I mean? Find a way to celebrate your small wins. Find things you do that you are good at and celebrate them. Don't always cloud yourself. The love letters come, as I always call them. Take your attention out of them and focus on the things you are good at. Always focus on learning new skills. And when you focus on progressing, no matter how small, that small win will restore your confidence. I've told you these 5 things in a way to summarize all I have said. Your breakthrough often comes after your toughest rejection. Most times, when you start feeling overwhelmed like this, know that you are close to success. That no is not the end, it's a redirection. And I will say, keep going, keep growing, keep believing. Your opportunity will come, and when it comes, you will realize it does not need all the frustration you've been going through. You will realize that rejection was also part of the preparation. Let me know if you've learned anything from this recording today. If you have, please click on the subscription, share, let other people benefit as well. Until I come your way again, do enjoy your time.